In this video, we will cover the steps to set up an email distribution group as the technical contact for your Okta org. First, create an Okta user account and set the email address to correspond to the distribution group. Next, assign an Okta administrator role to the account created by going to Security and Administrators. Select the Admins tab and click on Add Administrator and add the new account with the appropriate role permissions. Lastly, navigate to Settings Account, then End User Support. Select the Edit option and specify the email address previously configured for the Okta user account in the Technical Contact section, and be sure to save the changes. Now you have successfully updated the technical contact for your Okta org using an email distribution group. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.